You can display any Google Drive media files in a Slider gallery view directly from WordPress platform using Integrate Google Drive's Slider Carousel module. To create a Slider Carousel module, navigate to Google Drive from WordPress Admin Dashboard, Module Builder, click on Add New Module, select Slider Carousel Module, rename the module based on requirement. From the Source tab, select Preferred Media Files to allow users view them in a lucrative Slider preview. From the Filter tab, configure file visibility based on extensions, names, and others. From the Advanced tab, configure modules' advanced settings, such as image size, slide autoplay, show overlay, and others. From the Notifications tab, set email notifications for users' actionable activities, such as download notification. From the Permissions tab, set permission settings for the Slider Carousel module, such as preview, download, set password protection, and others. You can also set module visibility for everyone or logged in. Save changes, click on Embed button, copy shortcode, paste it inside any page or post to display the module. Users can now view Google Drive media files in a lucrative Slider preview by using Slider Carousel module.